What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of This Corner of Galaxy. And today we have the Galaxy Z Flip 5G. Now, this is going to be kind of an unorthodox unboxing because as you guys can see here, I can just slide this right on off, which means that the tape has been already cut for it. Just to give you guys a rundown before I completely open this box here, this is my wife's phone. She just did an upgrade and I wanted to be able to make sure all of her information was transferred before we left the store, because we were gonna have to send the phone off right away. So the store had to keep it. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. This is the Galaxy Z Flip 5G. And as you can see, this top part here actually has the files and everything like that. I think I actually just broke the box. You're supposed to open it from this end, not this end, guys. So yeah, just showing you guys that. We've got the quick references for the Galaxy Z Flip 5G. So your little starter guides and stuff. We've got a SIM ejector tool that comes with it. So just remember not to throw away the box because you do want that SIM ejector tool. Trust me, Apple doesn't give them out anymore. So if you are an Apple fan and you have other Apple devices, you're gonna want that. This is the future. Future changes the shape. Meeting your Galaxy Z Flip. So this is actually like a little thing here. The revolutionary Galaxy Z Flip takes the mobile industry to the next level. Absolutely, I totally agree with that. By placing a powerful and intuitive device in the palm of your hand. I'm not gonna read this whole entire thing. You guys can read this for yourselves if you get this phone. I'm gonna set that aside here. And this is the Galaxy Z Flip in all of its glory. This is it here. Give you guys a look. Now, I do wanna show you guys something really quick. I just wanna show you guys the attention to detail that Samsung has made with this phone. So as you can see, as we close the phone here, you can actually start to see that it reveals that Samsung logo. I'm gonna try to get it a little bit better here so you guys can see that. So I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna close it. And you see that Samsung writing on there. That to me that's some craftsmanship, guys. Then we've got the camera on the back here. I'm not gonna go into all the specs of this phone right now because this is just the unboxing, but I am gonna go ahead and turn this bad boy on. And this is how it looks when it powers on, guys. So while that's powering on, you're gonna hear a little T-Mobile jingle in just a second here. As a matter of fact, yep, there it is right there. I'm gonna go ahead and sit that right here for now. Get to the rest of the unboxing. So down here at the bottom, we have the charger for the phone. We got the charger. This is a fast charging unit. So I'm thinking it's a 25 watt fast charger. And then we have, of course, the USB-C in the box here. So that pretty much does it for the unboxing of this beautiful phone, guys. This is the Galaxy Z Flip 5G, and I will be doing an unboxing on the Galaxy Z Fold 2 when I get the Z Fold 2. I do want to say one last thing in closing, guys. These phones, these types of phones are the future, guys. So you're going to see a lot more folding phones on this channel. I wanted to bring this one first just because it was the first one that I saw that really caught my eye. And I wanted to get my wife in on this foldable future as well. That way she's already ready for it when it actually hits mainstream. So you guys take care. I will catch you guys in the next video with the Z Fold 2. And yeah, you guys take care.